Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share my very eco-friendly science project, and it is a very simple homemade hydroponic system. So let's start. This is part of a big research project that I did for a competition. There is a 9-part YouTube series that I made and the link is up here. It is about an organic, eco-friendly, innovative agriculture technology, and I highly recommend for you to check them out. I will announce the results of the competition real soon, so please subscribe to my channel and support my projects. So I started this part of the project with a hydroponic specialist, Catalin, from the Catherwood Community Garden. I planted the pea seeds in the coconut fibre because the coconut fibre stayed damp, however it was not too moist that it suffocated the plant roots. Then a week later I replanted the seedlings in the hydroponic system. You can learn more about the process of this in the link up here. It is very interesting, so please do check it out. Then 2 weeks later, I took one of the plants home, and this was for the FFL Robotics competition. The link is up here for the presentation, and I did win an award, so please do check it out, you might find it helpful. Then, I observed the plant at home, and as you can see, the system is super easy and homemade. I made it just out of a plastic cup, a stick from my kitchen, and a charcoal piece. Obviously, I am using the hydroponics pot from the garden, but you can do this by buying a similar sort of small pot. I kept the pot near the window which was facing west. I put a piece of charcoal in because I learned that the charcoal has a detoxification ability from another project. The link is also up here if you're interested. Then, I changed the water every week to keep it clean and observe the growth. To be honest with you, it was really easy to do, and don't forget to check and record. This could be a very good summer holiday project because it's super eco-friendly and is also a very good economical project and is very easily conducted. During the season I actually conducted the project was winter, thus the growth of the plant was not so great. It took a very long time to grow, as you can see. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, so the YouTube algorithm can share my video to more people. And also, feel free to subscribe to my channel so you can see more useful and interesting and educational and fun content. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!